Dustin Carlson. Hi guys, Dustin Carlson here with Recon Boats. We're at Premier Power Sports in St. Germain, Wisconsin. Wanted to give everybody a little idea of what Recon is, all the advantages that Recon has of a boat. Want to walk you guys from front to back. Let's walk through the boat and I'll show you all the great functionality that Recon Boats have to offer. So when we climb up into the front space, we got a 99-inch beam of the boat. We have a very large rod locker here to fit all your goodies in. I keep life jackets, got my rod holders, got my Pete Mena hat. Gotta love and support Pete Mena. As crazy as he is, we all love him. Got another rod locker over here. And the advantages is these rod lockers go all the way up into the front of the boat too for additional storage. You've got your bait well. You also can use it for a cooler. I'm preferable in my boat. I use mine for a cooler. Got some nice refreshing water in here. The thing that I love most about the Recon is the rod locker. Let's take a look. So many fishing boats only have 8 or 9 foot rod locker. In the 2185 Recon, we have a 10'4" rod locker. As you can see, I have all my musky rods in here, all my trolling rods and casting rods. I have musky rods up to 9'6". I have plenty of room to store them in here. And a lot of guys that are trollers might have 10-foot trolling rods, and they can fit in there comfortably. It holds 21 rods, more than enough storage for your boat, and it's one of my favorite features of the Recon. One other that's nice thing that I forgot to mention in the front of the boat is your storage for your trolling motor, battery storage, and your charging. If you go up front, it's located in the compartment, but the nice thing is they put a plug in right on the side, so you don't have to go in the compartment to charge your batteries. Just plug it in. And I have my 4-bank charger sitting right inside here, located right inside here. The thing about it is ease and functionality, which makes it great. So Recon is available in single console, dual console with the bubbles, or you can get the full windshield like I have here. Otherwise, accessory wise for your locators and graphs, you can do a flush mount, you can do a stub mount with a ram mount. Anything is accessible. On the passenger side, you've got your glove compartment storage. Also, we got storage down here on this side and also on this side. Got cup holders. You can get options, put smooth rides in or whatever seat mounts you want. Now if we jump to the back of the boat, some of the things that I love the best is a lot of glass boats will have their splash wheel that will end right about here. With the Recon, you can go right to the back of the boat, netting fish from the back of the boat, fishing from the back of the boat, and you don't have your splash wheel ever to worry about getting in your way. For options on the Recon is one of the great things that I love is this bench seat. You can smoothly sit 3 people on here very comfortably, or if you want to make a larger casting deck, flip it down and you got yourself a large casting deck. You can just get a casting deck as an option. That is available. It's a flip down one, which is very nice, or you can go with the bench seat, which is nice because when I want to take more people in the boat, I can flip it up, and when we're ready to fish, I flip it down and we got lots of room. Storage on the side of the boats. We've got large storage on each side. One of the things that I really like about the storage is your main starting battery is here, and also this is open here, so you actually have more storage to put in here, where most boats they have a divider wall in here. One of the other nice things about it, when you build a Recon and order one, you can customize it and put any options that you want on them. That's one of the great things. So for my boat, I said I usually always fish and guide out of the back of the boat. I want a cup holder over there, and I want a cup holder over there. So I never want to spill my coffee in the boat, because as you know, it's not fun spilling coffee and getting coffee stains out of the boat. So last but not least, we've got a 52-inch live well. This live well goes all the way over to here. This whole thing is a live well. So guys in tournaments need to keep fish alive. You've got lots of room in there. And even if you ever have to revive a muskie like I do from time to time, you can fit a big muskie in here and revive her if you need to. One of the nice things. You can put your graphs on the back of the boat like I do. I spend most of my time fishing out of the back of the boat when I fish, and it's nice having the graph right here, right at my feet. I like watching side imaging a lot, so that's one thing that's really nice and functional about the Recon. So that's a little bit about the Recon, inside and out, from front to back. For more information, check out www.reconboats.com, and hopefully come on out today to Premier Power Sports in St. Germain. We've got the open house going on. Come down and check out a Recon. We've got 12 Recons out here today, and love to take you guys on a test ride.